Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how to turn off read receipts in WhatsApp. So keep watching this video till the end. Meanwhile, do like and subscribe to my channel. So if you're looking to turn off read receipts on WhatsApp, all you have to do is go to settings. You can find settings in the bottom and just go to privacy. Once you're here, you can go down and you can find read receipts. Just turn it off. Then try sending a message again to the same person. This time if the person reads it as well, it will still be coming out faded. So that's how you turn off read receipts on WhatsApp. So if you guys found this video helpful, do like and also subscribe to my channel. I make amazing tech based tutorials. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.